Morning everyone, just thought I'd show you this switch. So this is a Quinetic switch. As you can see, let me turn the camera around. So when I press that, you see the light comes on. Yeah. So if I take you downstairs, I'll show you what's happening. So when I press this, completely wireless, that is going to go in there, like that. Right, so I've just screwed back the switch now, so that's the end result of what I was just showing you. So press that, and then we have one light. So literally press it. Completely wireless, so that means there's no chasing or any damage to the walls or anything like that. So just rewire the lights. So I've rewired that light back to the receiver, turn that on. Yeah, like I say, no chasing, no batteries, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi. So I just thought I'd show you how easy it is to pair them. Sorry, 1 second. So you literally hold down receiver button, get a flash, press the button, that's it. So this is going to be the hallway, which is going to have 2 switches on it. Let me go downstairs, I'll show you. So that's it. There's actually 2 switches. So both of these. That one, that was the left one, this is the right one. So one of these is going down there. I'll show you. So literally, I'm going to slot in there, like that. And then, that's it. And then this is the other bedroom, which is here. So that's how that looks. So what I've done is rewired that light, that one, and that one.